I'm Xenowave, and today I'm going to show you how I made this sound. Okay, so first off, in unison section, we have unison order of 9. Unison for oscillators only turned on. Unison panning's at 100%. So is volume. Pitch is at 50% for me, but you can change this to whatever you like. There's no sub level, and phase is around, that's 50% as well, but you can change that to whatever you like as well. And over in operator 1, all this is just a saw wave that has been converted to sine harmonics with no fundamental and randomized phases. And then over here in the pitch section, what I did here was I didn't type in, but I adjusted the value to be ever so slightly away from 50%. So it can detune between all these 9 voices. And over here, I have this shape for the phase so that there's no clicky, phasey sound that triggers every time you hit a note. And over in the filter section, I have distortion on, but filter off. And I serialize that into filter 2, which is just a line low pass with no resonance on triple mode and high quality. And I routed the cutoff to mod X. And that's the sound. Feel free to add effects. I didn't add effects for this, but you can. But if you have any questions, let me know, and have a good day.